Hello everybody and welcome to Pathfinder Ultra Hardcore Season 4. This time we are taking a prosperous path. This season we are playing a free-for-all traveling merchant. This game mode involves Einstein Replica here, who is playing our merchant for the season, walking around the map with various trade deals on offer for emeralds. Before we go any more, Einstein is now going to go through the game mode for everyone watching and for the players if they've forgotten.
Right, so by some reason Joey has let me be the game mode for this season, but basically people will be able to trade with me during the game using emeralds. Emeralds will spawn in every biome about as frequently as diamonds, and in TeamSpeak there should be a trade list that everyone can look at that gives you all the trades you can get. Those trades change depending on the episode, and that's all put into the trade list. There's also a random trade that can happen every 10 minutes, which is one of 4 types, either armor, weapon, books, or potions. The store will be set up at random coordinates around the map, and I'll be there for about 5 or 10 minutes during it, and I'll broadcast my coordinates to the game. People can listen for a jukebox, go to the coordinates, or look for the beacon beam that will be there. When a player gets to me, I will join them in TeamSpeak and be able to talk through them in TeamSpeak so they can do their trade better. Just a reminder to everybody, don't look in TeamSpeak during the game because it will spoil if people are near me, and you'll be able to see if people are there. And when it gets to meetup, I will go there 10 minutes before and broadcast the coordinates so people can get ready, and then meetup will be 10 minutes after that. And if somebody comes to trade with me and somebody else comes to attack, the trade shop will move and those people will be able to fight. And aside from that, I think that is pretty much it, so I will hand it back to you, Joey.
Right, thank you. The map is 2000 by 2000, played in Minecraft 1.8. The Nether is enabled, trapping and camping are disabled, as well as tier 2 potions. Strength potions are enabled, however they are nerfed and they are only tier 1. Horses are disabled, as well as enderpearl damage, towering and roller coastering. And I'm very sorry, Good Going America, but bookshelves are also disabled. As another addition, golden heads are enabled, healing 3 hearts, and absorption is off. This season we have a bit of a smaller roster. We have 16 players in a free-for-all style game. So starting off over here, we have our newcomer Xerox4. Returning from season 2, we have Holly Matman. We have Kazmik, and our newcomer who was meant to play season 3, Zev, who is for some reason using BJ's skin. We have Gudga. Why the fuck did we let him back, Stars? Firefox Warpix. Brownage. Phased. Frostbreath. Short Game, Tommy SX. Emeric. Maximum 50. And our newcomer...
Oh my god, you actually missed me.
Burning Tea. And did I miss someone? I did. Very nice. Did I miss anyone else other than Einstein, who is here?
I think that's pretty much everybody.
I think that is everyone. Okay. So just wanted to give a quick shout out to Quill, Maffy, Einstein, Sid, Kazmik, Emeric, and Burning, and also Zev for creating the spawn for this season. And also a massive thank you to Frostbreath for supplying the TeamSpeak and the server, and to Sid for setting up the map. I hope you all enjoyed this season of Pathfinder, and let's go kill each other. You can unmute everyone now, Frost.
Your channel was edited.
Dicks out.
Yeah.
Dicks out for Harambe.
Yeah, okay, I'm back. What did I miss?
Sticks out.
Have you enjoyed the season, guys?
Didn't miss much. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. Okay, can everyone go to everyone go to their respective channels.
Hey, welcome to Pathfinder season. Is that a zombie? Alright, welcome to Pathfinder season 5. Season 4. Season 12. Alright. Wing. Pathfinder Season 4, this is an FFA traveling merchant. The merchant in this case is Katie, also known as Einstein Replica. And you can get, oh, I'm using Core J1's pack right here. Rep to my bro. But yeah, you can trade in emeralds for various goods at several locations where Einstein is at. A lot further than that, it's just a normal game with quite the interesting roster. But yeah, just basic stuff. Kill cows, kill chickens, find diamonds, kill people. That's the plan. Oh. Noot. And yep. That's good. Let's throw this out. So yeah, there's some returners, some newcomers, some memers. Everyone's surprised to see Stolaz, who no one thought was going to play another season ever again, but you convinced him. He might have some issues not playing CS instead of not playing CS, so we'll see how that works out. This is a weird swamp. The fuck? I don't really want to get apples in here, to be honest. It's way too hilly. That's through forest. But yeah, my goal is basically just get at least a kill. That'd be nice. If I could get one kill in a good battle, I'd be happy. If I could get 2 kills, that'd be great. If I could get 3 kills, now that's unreal. And if I win, that's, you know, Matthew's not here, so everyone has a chance of winning. Except for Katie. But we'll see. We'll just play it out. And we'll see what happens. Should I get some apples here or should I keep walking? It's a question for me, but you guys can't decide. Oh, I'll kill some more cows, wasn't that it? Looks like it flattens out a bit. I think next to the roof forest it'll be a bit flatter. So it's better to get it right there. It's a cave. Not really, it's like a creeper exploding. So once, oh, nope, Max and Firefox took damage already. Fucking noobs. JK. I love them. But yeah, I've been playing quite some UAT lately. I've been on a 3-game win streak actually. Those are all private games, however. But it's been good so far. The glory days are coming back, you know. I might win 3 seasons in a row now. So we'll see. If I could win 3 seasons in a row, that just, if I could win 3 seasons in a row, that'd be great. Alright, let's just see if we can get a handful of apples. So we can mainly use our emeralds on other trades. There's a list of the trades. I might include a screenshot in this video, but I might not. I don't know. Oh, that's a skeleton. Fuck. That was interesting. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh, what? I hit it once now, I might be able to just rush it. Fuck! That was a backband worthy shot, you know? We're down 1.5, that's not good. Oh, we got a few apples already though. Now, should I get some chickens or should I just go caving immediately? Let me check the trades. If there's anything for arrows, there is. Yeah, there's one. Alright, that's good. I might just aim for that then. I don't know how rare the emeralds will be. Alright, I got 4 apples, that's good. Let's do a bit of this. Oops. I'll check out this cave if there's anything, and if there's not, I'll go out a bit more, I guess. It looks promising thus far. Goes down 2 ways. Let's go crank. That's a creeper. There's nothing else down there though. Could just look. Frost having some BTC. Oh. Oh. I can't type. What? That's not good. We'll see it phases on 3. That's not good for him, but it was 10 minutes later, so. Oh, okay. Sucks to be him. Shouldn't be late then. Oh, that's quite some iron right here. That's pretty good. Especially because the other part of the cave looks quite good as well. Let's get this. Alright, let's head back to the other more promising looking part. Let's make some more torches because I am not a user of Fulbright or anything. I just play vanilla. Well, not vanilla because I use a texture pack, but he was planning to do the good old time date. That's a cheeky move by M. Eric. Okay, that's not good. We can blow up, but if we take down one of them, that'd be nice. Alright, let's take these fellas down. Alright, there's like a sauna down there. Cause I hear a lot of zombies. Oh, that was pretty close. Almost shot me right there. Cause I hear more zombies. And there were 3 zombies. Spawn would be good. Oh my god. No, no. Whew. I don't like this. Oh, damn. Mineshaft. That's pretty good. Oh shit. I should perhaps invest in that Frostbreath thing. Because I did not see that skeleton right there. Blending in with the stone. Yeah, why 30? But hey, maybe I should settle down and melt some of my stuff right now. Let's make 2 more of these. Oh. Oop. Alright, let's cook my food. And let's mine a little bit more of this, I guess. That mineshaft might be really nice, however. Might get quite the odds from that. Fire's down 5 hearts. Damage, pretty normal. Probably the same as me, some skeletons, some action like that. But hey. That's pretty cute. Damn, that's like pretty cute. Alright, let me get some iron armor now. How much can I get? Can I get 4? Can I? I don't know. I can get close to full. That's fact. We'll see. I might wander out already. See if I can find some good shit. Explore a little bit. Let's make a good way down. Oh, another skeleton. And he shot me. Shit. These skeletons have not been nice to me. Probably should have waited for better armor right before I had him. Or I had a sword at least, so I could have killed him. We can make a bow now, however. What's Noah? Alright, alright. Yeah, I was in a swamp, so got kind of lucky with that. Let's see. I think I'm able to get full iron. Yep. Alright. And a sword as well, which is basically all I need. IMO. Pick can be acquired later. Alright. Oh shit, I should probably make some room for a bow and arrow. Or just a bow. I have room for the arrows. Alright. The food is cooking. Oh, let's make an extra pick as well. Let's clean the inventory a bit. Put this here. Alright. I think we're set for quite a while. We can explore the cave a bit. We got 20 steak. We got full iron. We got a bow. That's pretty good. Oh, I hear spiders. You never want to hear those in there. Mine shafts. I don't, at least. Alright. good. Hey, that's even better. Do you think they like glitched in each other because they have the same continents? They probably did. I won't complain though. Usually glitches are your foe in Minecraft. They can be your friend once. But yeah, that means we're quite close to healing already. Only need 2 more gold for that. Doesn't really look like the mineshaft's going down anywhere soon. I should get like 3 more. Well, actually 6 more, but freaking zombie. Oh, that hit me. That's pretty bad. I shouldn't have been hit there. I shouldn't have been hit by the skeleton as well, to be honest, but no clue. Nice Frost. Serve knowledge, please. Alright, let's get an iron pickaxe, because this is going quite slow. Alright, let's get blocks on my bar, that'd be useful. And I'll hope to find a way down, otherwise I'll probably just go back up to the surface. Or I might just tunnel. Depends on the situation. Oh. I don't have any emeralds, so why do I even bother? Plus, others might be going for that. I definitely don't want to die first. I did 2 of this as well. Nice. Nice. Some more iron. I definitely need that. Oh, that's good veining. I love those 1.8 iron veins. So if I can get some diamond veins like that, that'd be neato. Do you sell better internet? KT comp. Alright, that's a mediocre meme right there. Oh, that below us? Or above? I hope that's below. It is. Nice. Probably should have water bucketed that, but not that big of a deal. Still at Y 30. Would really not mind to go down deeper. But it still is going deeper, is it? And if it's not, I'll just tunnel down. No problem. Ah, it goes deeper. That's good. More. Yep. Goes deep to go back up again, though. This might sound pretty good. I think we're getting pretty low here. 21 here. I should really get a water bucket from this, however. I just overlooked the chest. Shears don't work on sheep. Damn. Hard life. Nerfed sheep. Sheep overpowered. Make a bucket. Alright. End of episode 1. Damn, that was pretty quick.